What is the value of the expression 16 divided by 2 times 4 divided by 2 times 4? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Everyone thinks this question is so easy. But actually more than 90% of people get tricked. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. In the first step, many people go straight to the multiplication between 2 and 4, which I have highlighted in yellow, because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, instead of the original expression, they write 16 divided by 8 and then again divided by 8. In the next step, they calculate 16 divided by 8 and simplify the expression to 2 divided by 8, which finally becomes 1 over 4. Or in other words, it's equal to 0.25. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option A is the correct answer to this question. But it's not the correct answer. Now let me explain how we should solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must follow the order of operations exactly as it's written from top to bottom step by step. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression from left to right, first we have a division sign, then a multiplication, and again a division sign, and finally another multiplication. It's very important to keep in mind that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have the exact same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, we should start with the expression 16 divided by 2 and replace it with 8 times 4 divided by 2 times 4. Next, we move on to the multiplication between 8 and 4, which simplifies the expression to 32 divided by 2 times 4. Then, we do the division between 32 and 2 and rewrite this expression as 16 times 4. And finally, it gives us the final answer, which is 64. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.